The combined assault of Tropical Storm Luis and Typhoon Maymay plus the relentless southwest monsoon over a nearly 2-week period has laid ruin to agricultural production in the Luzon mainland to be sure. But the extent or magnitude of the damage is not as severe as one might assume or surmise. Our Elijah Canlas tells us why.
Despite onslaught of weather disturbances in the southwest monsoon, the agriculture sector remains resilient according to the Department of Agriculture or DA. Despite the recorded 197 million pesos damage in crops, infrastructure, and other agricultural assets. According to Agriculture Assistant Secretary Arnel de Mesa, the biggest damage was recorded in the rice sector at 143 million pesos, followed by vegetables and high-value crops at 30 million pesos, while irrigation facilities suffered 15.8 million pesos in losses. De Mesa added that while more than 6,700 hectares of rice fields were affected, most only suffered partial damage and may still recover with the help of the department's interventions. The DA also assured that seeds, fertilizers, and other farm inputs are ready for the immediate rehabilitation and replanting for affected farmers.
Meron tayong more than 110 million na worth ng mga preposition items kagaya ng mga binhi ng palay, mais at gulay. At anytime na ready na uli yung ating mga magsasaka na magtanim after ng ating mga rehabilitation recovery effort, available nito agad. Ito yung utos ng ating Pangulo at ni Secretary Kiko na for immediate recovery.
De Mesa stressed that the damage is not expected to a major impact on food and rice prices as the lost production is small compared to the country's total harvest.
Yung value at saka yung volume na nawala po dahil dito sa dalawang bagyo, si Luis, si Maymay at saka po yung sa habagat, napakaliit na bahagi lang po nito ulit, 4,500 metric tons, kumpara doon sa annual production natin na 20 million metric tons. So dahil po dyan, wala po tayong inaasahan na paggalaw sa presyo ng ating agricultural commodities, lalo na po yung sa bigas.
He also said the DA has prepared financial assistance programs for affected farmers and fisherfolks, including the Survival and Recovery Loan Package.
Ito po ay 25,000 pesos. Wala po itong collateral, wala rin po itong interest na pwede po nilang bayaran up to 5 years.
The department continues to coordinate with other government agencies and local government units to ensure the fast and fair distribution of assistance, maintain the prices of basic commodities, and strengthen the agriculture sector against future disasters. Elijah Canlas for The Nation.